Hello बच्चों, let's see the question here. The KSP of Ag2CrO4 is 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12 at 298 Kelvin. The solubility in mole per liter of Ag2CrO4 in a 0.1 m AgNO3 solution is 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11, 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10, 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12, 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9. So here I'll start the solution. और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So here value of KSP is given and amount of AgNO3 is also given. So here at first we have AgNO3. This will dissociate in Ag plus and NO3 minus. So AgNO3, here it is given that we have 0.1 molar concentration. Okay. When we will add Ag2CrO4 in AgNO3 solution, then what will happen? The solubility of this salt, it will decrease due to common ion effect, as here we have Ag2CrO4. This will dissociate in 2 Ag plus CrO4 minus 2. So here initially we will consider that solubility of Ag2CrO4 is S dash and Ag plus this is 0.1 molar concentration, because here we have concentration of AgNO3 as well, and CrO4 minus 2, this is 0. After some time, or we can say when equilibrium is reached, so finally here we will have for Ag plus this will be 0.1 plus 2 S dash as the concentration, and for CrO4 minus 2 this will be S dash. So here solubility product constant, that is KSP, this will be equal to concentration of Ag plus whole square multiplied by concentration of CrO4 minus 2. So KSP की वैल्यू गिवन है हमारे पास, दिस इज गिवन एज 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू Ag प्लस की यहाँ पे concentration गिवन है हमारे पास. So Ag plus in this case this will be 0.1 plus 2 S dash whole square multiplied by S dash. But as we can see here, we know that S dash, this is really less than 0.1. That means 0.1 plus 2 S dash, this will almost be equal to 0.1. So this will be 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12 equal to 0.1 whole square, that is 10 raised to power minus 2 multiplied by S dash. That means S dash की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10. Thus value of solubility in mole per liter is 1.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 10. That is option B is correct in this case. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.